going on over here is he's a gay, and he wants Lynn's hair extensions. They figure out the sexual orientation at a very early age here. He's ripping out his hair extensions. And here's the leftover food from what they were selling at the school today: chicken curry, pork adobo, ampalaya, dudong, fish, pancit, and something else, not sure. Alright. And we have karaoke. Always karaoke. They're cousins. Yeah, it's a long story. Oh, I wish I could tell that story.
You are here. I want to stop seeing her on.
Spiders for spider fighting. Boxes and they fight them. Oh my gosh, she's gonna open it up. Oh, see, there's a spider right there. Oh, that's nasty. That's nasty. It's freaking me out. Okay, no, I really don't want him to come out. You can let him sleep. No. He's okay. Okay, I'm scared. No. Ooh, scary. Scary.
It's done.
Salamat.
Honey, it's done.
Who's done? Who? Donnie? Fat kid? Big show, big show. Extensions. What's up, Donnie? Donnie's the big show. The big show. Donnie's actually a really good singer. So, all Lynn's family and extended family. They're all crazy. I know, but she's crazy now.
Sa akin na may kapabiyaya ka sa buhay ko, ligaya pag-ibig yung ikaw.
Lynn's running up with somebody. This might be fun if it's kids.
That's a baby Fatima.
Hi, baby Fatima. Baby Fatima. She kind of looks like baby Fatima. So, what was the eye? There was an eye. There was a. Try to pan slowly. There was a fight down here. There's two girls fighting, and they smashed something in the street. Looks like a television. They're all waving. I don't know if we should go down there or not. I don't want to get involved in anybody else's domestic disputes, you know what I mean? I think we're throwing shit around. It's like crying babies and stuff.
There's a fighting.
Who's fighting?
Between neighbors.
Neighbors?
And neighbors also.
Oh, dili ko mangitagaway. So I will turn this off. Smacking us ahead. Okay, so obviously we didn't get to Takak. And the primary reason we didn't get to Takak because nobody rents scooters by the day in Dipolog, so we weren't able to get a scooter to get out to Takak. And also it's a little cloudy, but we'll be back. We'll do it again sometime. We had a lot of good times last night, and with Lynn's family doing karaoke. You saw that footage. Sorry to subject you to that yet again. And now we're at the port, and we're heading on the Montenegro, 2 p.m. back to Dumaguete City. This is Ned, that's Lynn, for My Philippine Dreams, and we'll see you next time. And I need sleep, lots of sleep.